Yeah. 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 I got blue honey's on me right now. Hell you talking about? I just wanna smoke right off the pound. I'm back to selling dope. Pull up on your block 100 rounds, bitch. I'm letting go. Close your mouth, you better not make it sound. Chopper in my car. Blue honey's on me right now. Hell you talking about? I just wanna smoke right off the pound. I'm back to selling dope. Pull up on your block 100 rounds, bitch. I'm letting go. Close your mouth, you better not make it sound. Chopper in my car. Chopper in my car.
Guys, look what just came in. Black Widow raised venom exhaust. I already opened it, but I'm gonna open it again for y'all. That was leaking. And look who's already dead. Say what's up, man. Oh shit. Yeah, buddy. Let's see how this work out. I was going with the carving competitor series, but I'm afraid it might be too loud. So this was only like 120. See what sound it'll make. If I don't like it, on to the carving. Alright y'all, this is a cold start of my 2019 Ram Rebel without the Black Widow race venom. Let's hear it. Breathing good. That is without the Black Widow race venom. Only coded intake AFE. That's how it sounds. Now I'm about to head to this muffler shop and get this race venom put on, and then I'm gonna do another start with the race venom on. Stay tuned. That new muffler put on, that race venom. Y'all, I want to bring something to y'all attention, right? I'm getting these race venoms put on my truck, but I want to show y'all something. I want to show y'all that on this tubing, on these resonators, actually, it says Mopar. Which of course it should say Mopar. So did y'all see that? So my question is, since the resonators say Mopar, and I just got this Black Venom race exhaust, what's the difference? What is the difference between me getting a Mopar catback or just this muffler? Is it the bending of the pipe? What is it? Is it something inside the pipe? What is it? So I just took the alternative, the cheap route. Actually, I just took the cheap route and went and bought a race venom, Black Widow race venom, because I wasn't sure if I'm gonna like the sound. Cause I don't really like too loud, but hopefully it's not too loud. I was going, like I said, I was going with the Carvine catback exhaust, so that was $700. So am I paying for just the bending of the piping, or what am I paying for? So I took this route just to because it's the cheapest route, and I ain't gotta spend $700 off the top. But if I like this, I keep it. If I don't, then I'm gonna go with the Carvine. But now Carvine came out with a straight pipe to put it in replace of the muffler instead of the catback. So, and that's only like $326. So we gonna see. If I like it, I keep it. If I don't, I'm gonna take it off. Cause I don't really want too loud. I just wanted enough growl. So, you know what I'm saying? Plus I got the coded intake, the AFE. So we gonna see, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. For you people, they got the fantasy. Oh, okay. Ooh, that bitch growling, that bitch barking now. Oh shit. That motherfucker barking. Yes, sir. Yeah, sound good, man. God damn. That's how y'all do Black Widow? Yeah, buddy.